Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Monday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Tuesday night and Wednesday, now a Storm Track 7 red alert day. Possible blizzard conditions on the table here as we're expecting wind gusts up to 55 or 60 miles per hour from the northwest, really heading through Wednesday morning, and that's going to come with that bout of heavy snowfall potential after it transitions in from rain for a lot of Tuesday. So we now have a winter storm watch that has been issued for our northwestern counties into central Iowa. This includes Blackhawk County and really anywhere west and north of Waterloo. That's where blizzard conditions will be the most likely. It's not to say that that winter storm watch or blizzard warnings won't get extended, but we will likely have at least some advisories issued into our eastern and southern counties. It will be a fairly high impact type of storm, but again, that northwestern corner, that's where blizzard conditions will be the most likely. What is a blizzard? It has nothing to do with falling snow, in fact. It just has to come with winds that are 35 miles per hour or greater. We should easily be able to do that. Visibility reduced to a quarter mile or less for 3 hours or more. So that could be either with falling snow or blowing snow, which again will be a potential here with the system. As we go through today, we've seen a little bit of rain in our southern counties this morning. Temperatures have been largely on our side, a little bit above freezing, so we haven't had too many icy impacts out there. By the way, what you're also seeing on here are the winds, the wind gusts, not the temperatures, the wind gusts along with future track. And so as we go through this afternoon, you have a lot of the clouds clearing out. It's going to be partly cloudy with winds gusting to 30 miles per hour from the south. That brings our high temperatures to near 60 degrees this afternoon. Hard to believe because you look at what's on the way. It doesn't feel like it would be 60 degrees today. And as you go through tonight, it's going to be some cloud cover, maybe some scattered showers moving in. These are going to be fairly hit or miss, and we could maybe see some embedded rumbles of thunder, especially into tomorrow morning. There you can see maybe more of an intense pocket of rainfall. Again, very hit or miss or scattered here through the morning hours tomorrow. We'll have a much better chance for steady rainfall across the area come tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be some light to moderate rain, some pockets of thunder, again, possible with heavier downpours at times, and that will be the case as we go through basically the second half of tomorrow. Watch these winds shifting from the east in the evening, more so to the north and northwest overnight. Now that's going to push in some cooler air. It's going to transition the rain over to snow, and that will be a sweeping process from west to east. And that snowfall will be fairly intense with snowfall rates of an inch per hour or more. You'll see the blues really taking over by Wednesday morning. So just through the heart of the morning commute there, likely to be some delays and cancellations. We'll see the snow throughout the morning hours and then eventually tapering off through the afternoon. But the winds remain very strong. Again, peaking maybe over 50 to 55 miles per hour, up to 60 miles per hour in spots. And that is going to lead to some significant blowing snow even once the snow comes to an end. And then after that, we'll see the clouds clearing out and some cooler temperatures on the way for Wednesday night. Rainfall could be an issue in itself because we're expecting quite a bit of it, maybe about a ½ inch to an inch and a half across the area through midnight Wednesday morning. And with the ground being still frozen and with a pretty thick frost depth, there is a chance for some ponding or localized flash flooding. And that's something we're going to keep an eye on through Tuesday. And then, of course, the transition over to snow, and it's not looking like very much. In our northwestern counties, about 2 to 4 inches expected right now. Some locally higher amounts certainly possible. There's a lot more question marks right now regarding how much snow we end up getting. Should be a little bit less snow off to the east and south. We'll say 2 inches or less. But then again, it's going to be more the winds that will be a problem with the snow falling and even after it falls. And the winds gusting over 50 miles per hour there. Sustained winds up to 35 for the day on Wednesday. It's going to be quite nasty out there. But as we look at today, we'll recap everything for you. High temperatures, 50s and low 60s. Really warm out there. A little bit windy with the south wind, and any of that rain will wrap up pretty quickly here this morning. Tonight, lows remain in the 40s, so the rain is going to start to spread in. Could hear a few rumbles of thunder, too, with some of these pockets of rain. Winds remain breezy from the south. Tomorrow, the winds actually aren't as strong, but it's a 100% chance for those rain showers and a few embedded thunderstorms. and high temperatures about the low to mid 50s out there. And then, of course, a quick drop in temperatures, the snowfall and the strong winds on the way for Wednesday. High temperatures only in about the low to mid 30s throughout the afternoon. And then Thursday is a fairly quiet day. It's going to be some increasing clouds, highs about 41. A chance for some more snow, though, Thursday night into Friday. That could be accumulating snow for parts of the area. I think these temperatures will continue to trend downwards. Although the weekend looking pretty nice right now, 40s and 50s with some sunshine. Don't forget to spring the clocks forward 1 hour. And then next week, can you tell we're getting into springtime? Highs are in the 60s with a chance for thunderstorms by the middle of the week.